you looking for a way to earn money online? Many people are talking about ChatGPT that can help you earn online income. ChatGPT isn't the only AI that can create text. Since November 2022, when OpenAI made its engaging AI chatbot ChatGPT public, it's become popular worldwide. People are doing many amazing things with the chatbot, which you can see on social media. People looking for jobs, programmers, high school teachers, and people who make content are all finding good uses for the tool. But when one tool is the focus, it's easy to forget other tools that might be just as useful, or even better. Yep, you heard correctly. We're talking about ChatSonic, an AI bot that's the best alternative to ChatGPT. Using this fantastic chatbot, you can easily make $500 daily. Let's find out how. What is ChatSonic? WriteSonic's ChatSonic is a conversational AI content generator that lets anyone with access make content about any topic. It's based on the GPT-3 and ChatGPT models from OpenAI. ChatSonic, unlike ChatGPT, as of January 2023, can search Google in real time to find hyper-relevant content, even on newer topics like current news. You can write content for social media, post summaries, SEO blog posts, landing pages, and so on, just like any other AI writer. ChatSonic, built on top of ChatGPT, can make content that sounds like a conversation, has better results than the GPT-3 tools, and remembers what was said in a chat thread. How can you earn $500 per day with ChatSonic? There are many ways by which you can easily earn $500 per day by using ChatSonic. Suppose you have a skill or expertise in a particular area. In that case, you can offer a service such as consulting, coaching, or freelancing through various platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Suppose you have a website, blog, or social media presence with a significant following. In that case, you can promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Some websites and apps pay users to participate in online surveys or provide feedback on products and services. While it comes with risks, investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex can potentially generate significant returns. You can create digital products like ebooks, courses, templates, or software and sell them through your website or platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Offer a service. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, you can offer a service through various online platforms to earn $500 daily. If you have a knack for writing or editing, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can write or edit articles, blogs, books, academic papers, or any other type of content. If you're skilled in graphic design, you can offer services like logo design, branding, social media graphics, or website design through platforms like 99 Designs or Design Hill. If you have web development, coding, or programming expertise, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. You can develop websites, web applications, mobile applications, or provide technical support. If you have experience in digital marketing, you can offer services like SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, or paid advertising on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services on platforms like Gengo, Translators Cafe, or Upwork. If you have excellent organizational and administrative skills, you can offer virtual assistant services on platforms like Time, etc., Searchable, or Belay. When offering a service, it's essential to provide high-quality work and excellent customer service to gain repeat clients and positive reviews. Additionally, you may need to invest time in marketing and building your reputation to attract new clients. You can take a lot of help from ChatSonic while providing these services, and you can easily make $500 per day. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing in which you earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or service. Here are some steps you can follow to make $500 per day through affiliate marketing. Start by selecting a niche that interests you or that you have expertise in. This could be anything from health and fitness to home appliances, beauty products, or software. Once you've selected a niche, you can join affiliate programs for products or services related to that niche. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you can promote the products through your website, blog, social media, or email list. To attract potential buyers, you can create content like product reviews, comparison articles, or informative blog posts. To generate sales, you need to drive traffic to your affiliate links. You can do this through various methods such as paid advertising, social media marketing, SEO, or content marketing. To optimize your performance, track your results regularly. Most affiliate programs provide analytics tools to help you monitor clicks, impressions, and sales. As you gain more experience, you can scale up your efforts to increase your earnings. This could involve promoting more products, expanding your marketing channels, or investing in paid advertising. You can take outlines and steps instructions from ChatSonic to help you in affiliate marketing. It's important to note that earning $500 per day through affiliate marketing requires time, effort, and persistence. Create and sell digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a great way to make money online. Here are some steps you can follow to make $500 per day by creating and selling digital products with the help of ChatSonic. Start by selecting a niche that interests you or that you have expertise in. This could be anything from health and fitness to business, technology, or personal development. Once you've selected a niche, identify a problem or need that your target audience is facing. This could be anything from how to lose weight to how to start a successful business. Based on the problem or need that you've identified, create a digital product that provides a solution or value to your target audience. This could be an ebook, a course, a software tool, or a membership site. To sell your digital product, you need to market it effectively. Use various methods such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, or paid advertising to reach your target audience. To maximize your sales, optimize your sales funnel by creating a compelling landing page, offering a free lead magnet, and using upsells or downsells to increase your revenue. To build a loyal customer base, provide excellent customer service and support. Respond to inquiries promptly and address any issues or complaints effectively. You can get the latest data from ChatSonic according to your niche. ChatSonic can provide engaging content that can benefit you while selling and advertising your digital product. So by this way, you can easily make $500 per day. That's it for this video on how to make $500 per day using ChatSonic rather than ChatGPT. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching.